Hi, in this video I will show you how to turn off read receipts on the WhatsApp. So if you want to turn off the read receipts on the WhatsApp, simply follow this procedure. So first of all, open your WhatsApp mobile application. Once you will open it, now you have to click on the three dot icon on the right top. Once you will click on it, you will see screen like this. You will see multiple options here. Simply you have to click on the settings, and here you will see multiple options. You have to click on the account. Once you will click on the account, you have to click on the privacy, and in the privacy you will see multiple options. Your read receipt toggle is turned on right now, so simply you have to turn off this toggle, and once you will do it, your read receipt will be turned off. So in this way you can turn off your read receipts on the WhatsApp. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.